So I need to know who you are.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to go back and forth with an attorney about the law? I'm all right, brother. How you doing?
I'm doing well. This guy called out here videoing. We got a call about you.
I'm sorry they wasted your time, brother. Honestly, I am. Can I have your name?
So I need to know who you are.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to go back and forth with an attorney about the law?
It didn't take long for this cop to get humbled on the sidewalk. One man, one camera, and a firm understanding of his rights was all it took to educate an officer who thought he could demand ID without a lawful reason. He wasn't trespassing, he was simply filming in public, exercising his First and Fourth Amendment rights. But, as always, the sight of a camera sparked panic. A few employees, uncomfortable with being filmed, called the police, reporting a suspicious person with a gun, even though open carry was completely legal in the area. Moments later, officers arrived. One immediately tried to demand an identification, claiming he was dealing with the auditor, but the man knew his rights and refused to give up his name, reminding the officer that suspicion is not a crime and lawful activity cannot be detained.
I'm all right, brother. How you doing?
I'm doing well. This guy called out here videoing. Someone was concerned.
You know how I go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm not giving that, brother. You might want their name because they called.
They called over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
They called. So
Why won't you give me your name?
any information that you need, I'm sure they'll be willing to give it to you.
Well,
I didn't call you, so I don't really
I'm
know.
just asking for your name.
Oh, I'm not giving it right now, partner. Over here.
Well, we got a call about you.
I'm sorry they wasted your time, brother. Honestly, I am. Can I have your name?
My name's Officer Honeycutt.
Officer Honeycutt?
Yes, sir. What's your name?
I'm not giving that. Can we stop asking that question, please?
May I ask why you're not going to give me?
It is a safety thing of mine, and I'm not giving it. That they can have all the information you need right there.
Do you feel unsafe right now?
Oh no, I feel fine.
Okay. Then why? I don't understand. You said it's a safety thing.
It is. Well, it's a safety thing, and it's a right of mine. And I didn't call you. They did.
If we get a call and
Choose these words carefully, okay? If you get a call, what now?
So I'm dealing with you right now.
Okay.
So I need to know who you are.
Okay. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to go back and forth with an attorney about the law?
Well, that's fine.
Okay.
Are you an attorney?
Do you want to go back and forth with one about the law? You don't need my name. You want my name. They have all the information you need. I'm trying to save you a trip. They have all the information you need. I didn't call you. They did. I'm sorry you came over here to talk to me. I didn't call you, brother. They called you.
Good afternoon, sir.
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
I'm all right. Thank you. Can I have your name, please?
My name
This encounter begins on a public sidewalk where one man with a camera is minding his own business when officers approach, asking for his name and questioning why he is recording. He immediately makes it clear he did not call police and is not required to identify himself. He remains respectful but firm, explaining that filming in public is lawful and that discomfort is not a crime. The officer keeps pushing, claiming authority.
is Lieutenant Cat Raxter.
Nice to meet you, ma'am. They have all the information y'all need. I don't know why they called y'all.
The call we got was just somebody on the corner videoing.
Okay.
You're in a public space, and I don't even know who called, to be honest.
It was them right there.
Okay. All right.
It was them. Because she asked me why. I explained it to her, ma'am. I'll be out your hair in 5 minutes. I'll be gone. She looked down and saw my gun. She didn't like it. I asked if it bothered her. She said, I don't like the fact that you got a gun. I said, ma'am, if you feel unsafe, go inside.
As the conversation continues, the officer admits the call came from employees who felt uncomfortable after noticing the camera and a legally carried firearm. The man explains that open carry is legal and that anyone who feels unsafe is free to leave or go inside. Instead of calling police, he stays composed, refuses to argue, emotionally and
Okay.
And then they proceeded to stand there and feel even more threatened when they could have just went inside.
Right.
I tried to avoid all this.
Okay.
And then they called, and now we're here. So,
Okay. All
I really know what's
you're on
going on.
public sidewalk. We can go explain that to them.
okay. Well, I was over there, but I was still on the public easement. I checked the GIS survey. Their property line didn't start for another 4 or 5 feet where I was standing from.
Okay.
She just didn't like my camera. And I tried to explain that to her. I wasn't rude. I didn't yell. I didn't fuss. I didn't cuss. I explained it to her.
You're being perfectly.
She didn't like it. And so I came over here. That's when y'all pulled up.
All right.
That's all.
Okay. Well, I hope you have a good rest of your day.
You as well, ma'am. You be safe, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Can you teach this officer here a little bit about the Fourth Amendment, please?
I'm not going to get in that discussion with you.
No, that's fine.
When a supervisor arrives, the tone shifts immediately. She acknowledges that the man is in a public space and that simply recording does not violate any law. The officer who demanded ID is quietly corrected without confrontation. The man explains he verified property lines and intentionally stayed on public ground, showing preparation, knowledge, and discipline.
And I'm sure y'all will do it behind closed doors. That's the internal affairs thing. Teach them about the 4th Amendment, please. Because if you didn't show up, y'all have been in a lawsuit. Thank you.
In the end, no tickets, no arrests, just another First Amendment win. The officer who tried to flex authority walked away empty-handed, and the professional who stepped in walked away respected. This is exactly why these audits matter, because when citizens stand firm, ignorance gets corrected and accountability gets recorded.
In the end, no tickets were written, no arrests were made, and no authority was proven. The officer who tried to flex power walked away, empty-handed, while the citizen walked away, vindicated. This is why First Amendment audits matter, because rights only survive when they are exercised calmly, confidently, and consistently. One man, one camera, and a clear understanding of the Constitution was all it took to prevent an unlawful detention stay, informed, stay calm, and never stop recording.